Let me tell you a little about my story. I used to be a blacksmith farrier. I used to shoe horses for a living. Shoe horses, not shoot horses. That is until I got kicked in the face. I got injured very badly, and I was faced with the decision, how am I going to provide for my family when I can no longer do my occupation? I had very little tech skills. I could basically send emails and text. I hardly could turn on a computer. Very rarely would I use a computer. I decided to reach out to boot camps and see if they would give me a hand, take me into their course. What I found out was basically if I had $20,000, they would help me. Otherwise, not so much. So I decided to start on my own. I was going to teach myself how to code, how to program, and I did. It took me 9 months, 2 days, lots of sweating, lots of awful, tough nights where I was up till 2 in the morning just trying to figure something out. But I continually wrote a blog, and on that 9th month, the 2nd day, I put on I'd gotten hired. I was immediately inundated with emails, hundreds of emails, people saying, how can I do this? Here's my story, here's my background. I used to be a hotel manager. I paint houses for a living. I'm a police officer and I don't like this job. How can I get into tech? All of them wanting the same ending, but all having different backgrounds and stories. Some want to be developers, some want to be QA, some want to do test automation. This is why I made this course. I no longer can keep up. No longer can I keep personalized coaching, helping people, writing 350 emails back and forth to each person, asking their stories. What city do you live in? How do you do this? How do you do that? I need to find a way to make a course so that more people can see this material, only the best parts. You don't have to read thousands of emails like I've done. I've condensed it down to things that you really need. You don't need to have the slickest resume on the planet. You need to know the #1 secret to getting hired, how to nail an interview. What are the 4 questions that interviewers want to ask, but they're not actually allowed to ask? You need to answer those questions to get hired. All the secrets, everything condensed down. If you want to get into tech in the shortest amount of time possible, I'll show you the real tech skills you need, not things to impress people, what companies really need you to know, and then how to get the interviews, how to nail the interviews. If that's you, then this course is for you.